If you're looking for a go-to side to bring to your next potluck, this one might be for you. This is Piper's Special Soda Bread from the Fallout Cookbook. Let's see if it's any good. For it, we need flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, both of them, unsalted butter, raisins if you want them, I don't, craisins, buttermilk, and an egg. We'll mix up our dry ingredients before mixing in our butter. We want to do this until it's like a crumbly texture. You can work this in by hand or a stand mixer like I did, but the goal here is this consistency. Then separately, we're going to add our buttermilk and egg before whisking it together and adding it into our dry ingredients, mixing all of it up completely together. We'll then put this in a bread pan and cut an X across the top for some reason. Then we'll bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. For me, I've had better soda breads than this, but it's not bad. I don't know if I like the craisins in it. I gotta do some thinking on what I might be able to substitute in there for like maybe a little different flavor. But I'm for sure happy I didn't put any raisins in this. The consistency is decent and I like the underlying flavor. It's kind of got a nice base to it. But yeah, I don't know. This gets an 8 out of 10 for me.